Hi guys, welcome back to Kitchen Colony. Today we'll be making a Jamaican quick and easy snack, fritters. And I hope you have been enjoying what I've been presenting to you so far. And on this channel, I try to find creative ways in which we can prepare and enjoy the meals that we're so accustomed to. I try to do that so that it suits different palates. But it is still yummy, it's still tasty, and a quick and easy way to do it also. I'd like to thank my subscribers and my viewers for supporting my channel. It is really appreciated. Fritters, they're not only quick and easy, but they can be very delicious. And it's actually fried cakes, similar to a pancake. They can be made from fruits, they can be made with vegetables, pieces of meat, pieces of fish. And now this is now mixed in a flour batter with other seasonings. Today we're going to make 3 types of fritters. We're going to make banana, saltfish, and a vegetable one. But we're going to start off with the banana now. Here we have 2 overripe bananas. It's best if they're very ripe like this, speckled, because it's crushed easier and it's much sweeter. Along with the banana, I'm going to use a lot of flavorings like nutmeg, cinnamon, and I'm going to need sugar and flour. We're going to peel our bananas. 2 well-ripe bananas, the riper, the sweeter. Crush the bananas. Half teaspoon nutmeg, half teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Mix well and then get ready for frying. Add enough oil for shallow frying. Because of the sugar, you have to turn the fritters every minute to prevent it from burning. Until you get your desired color, then you may remove it. Now it's time to make our saltfish fritters. To my bowl, I'm adding 1 cup of plain flour along with some already soaked and picked saltfish. Next, I'm adding half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and half teaspoon jerk seasoning. I'll be adding some chopped fresh seasoning, half teaspoon thyme, little mixer. Fresh vegetable, blended vegetable. I'm adding 2 tablespoons and enough water to make a thick batter. Then I mix well and get ready for frying. We fry these also in shallow oil until they are golden brown. The carrot fritters is done similarly to the saltfish fritters. Here I've shredded a medium carrot and I've added a bit of oil and seasoned with whatever seasoning I like, and I'm getting it ready to put in an air fryer to take away most of the moisture. If you don't have an air fryer, put it in an oven for about 10 minutes. Season well, mix together. Oven on a tray or the air fryer to dry out some of the moisture, because you want most of the moisture out, for about 10 minutes. In my bowl I have 1 cup of plain flour, 1 small chopped tomato, 2 tablespoons of the fresh seasoning, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, which is my salt, and then I add enough water to make a thick batter. Now fry in shallow oil until you get your desired color, then you remove it and your fritters is done. Now here we have it, quick and easy snack, sweet or savory, whichever way you like it. You may have this for breakfast or lunch or just a quick snack throughout the day. Whichever one you like, they're all delicious. Banana, carrot and saltfish fritters. Enjoy. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please remember to give me a thumbs up, as this helps to promote my video to others, and also it helps to grow my channel. Thank you very much again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.